SodaStream Terra. Let's get started. Register now and get an extra 2-year warranty. Scan or go to sodastream.com/REGT. User Manual. For your safety, please refer to the setup and safety instructions in pages 13 and 15 before using the sparkling water maker. Save these instructions and provide them to subsequent users. We're here to help. 1-800-763-2258. Welcome to the Sparkling Revolution. Now you can bubble up your day and help planet Earth have less waste and more sparkle. Your new sparkling water maker will turn any H2O into HT-Wow with the push of a button. Enjoy fresh sparkling water anytime at the comfort of your own home. In just 3 minutes, you'll have your first homemade sparkly drink. Contents. All you need for a fresh start. Page 4. Get to know your Terra. 5. How-tos. CO2 cylinder quick connect. 6. Snap lock system bottle insert. 8. Fizzing, the magic moment. 10. User instructions. 12. Under license. 12. Setup. 13. Care. 14. For your safety. 15. Limited warranty. 16. For more details and information regarding our sparkling water makers, including how to use and troubleshooting guide, please go to corp.sodastream.com. All you need for a fresh start. SodaStream Terra sparkling water maker. 1 liter carbonating bottle. SodaStream Quick Connect CO2 cylinder. 60 liter SodaStream CO2 cylinder under license makes up to 60 liters of sparkling water depending on the level of carbonation and type of sparkling water maker. Get to know your Terra. Carbonating button. Snap lock system. Carbonating tube. Bottle rest. Cylinder handle. Cylinder holder. Back cover. Compatible with the following only. SodaStream reusable carbonating bottles. 1 liter, 0.5 liter, 1 liter. Check for compatibility on bottle pack. SodaStream Quick Connect CO2 cylinder. Quick Connect CO2 cylinder. Prefer a how-to video? Simply scan. 1. Remove the plastic cover. 2. Peel off the cap. 3. Pull open the back cover. 4. Raise the pink handle. 5. Insert the cylinder bottom first. 6. Lower the handle to lock. 7. Replace back cover. Excellent. Move on to the next step. Please carefully read the full setup instructions and safety warnings in page 14 below. Stuff to know. Remember, your cylinder is reusable. When it runs out of CO2, simply bring it back and get it exchanged. Pay only for the CO2 refill. Get an extra cylinder so you never run out of bubbles. Make sure to exchange with the right CO2 cylinder for your sparkling water maker. Compatible with your SodaStream Terra? Not compatible. Snap lock system bottle insert. Prefer a how-to video? Simply scan. Fill the carbonated bottle with cold water up to the fill line. Always fizz water before adding any flavor. 2. Make sure the bottle rest is tilted out. 3. Insert bottle neck into the snap lock. Push it up and then back. No need to screw. Bottle is inserted correctly when there is a gap between the bottle and the base. All done. Now the last bubbly step. Stuff to know. To check if your bottle is dishwasher safe or not, look at one of these icons. The bottle's expiration date is here. Did you know 1 SodaStream reusable bottle can save up to thousands of single plastic bottles? Fizzing, the magic moment. 1. Firmly push the carbonation button all the way down. Hold down the button for 1 to 2 seconds and release. 2. Repeat as desired. 3 times for standard fizz, 5 times for strong fizz. 3. Pull the bottle towards you. Ta-da, all done. Enjoy your fab fizzy drink. Stuff to know. Pros tip. Cold water fizz better. Keep an extra bottle in the fridge so you always have one ready to sparkle. Want some extra flavor with your fizz? Try the range of flavors at sodastream.com. Under license. For 1 SodaStream Quick Connect cylinder, not for sale. Property of Soda Club CO2 SA or its affiliates, provided under license and patent pending. Setup. Installing the CO2 Quick Connect cylinder. Place the SodaStream Terra sparkling water maker on a flat, sturdy surface and remove the back cover. 2. Remove seal and cap from the SodaStream CO2 Quick Connect cylinder. Warning, never insert or replace the CO2 Quick Connect cylinder while a carbonating bottle is installed in the sparkling water maker. This can cause the carbonated bottle to be ejected or burst. 3. Raise cylinder pink handle. Insert the CO2 Quick Connect cylinder in the back of the sparkling water maker. 4. Lower cylinder pink handle. 5. Reinstall the back cover. Now you are ready to create bubbles. SodaStream CO2 Quick Connect cylinder. Please note that the SodaStream Terra is only compatible with the CO2 Quick Connect cylinder and is not compatible with the SodaStream CO2 screw system cylinder or other. Compatible SodaStream CO2 Quick Connect cylinder. Non-compatible CO2 screw system cylinder. Create the bubbles. Fill the carbonating bottle with cold water up to the fill line. Warning, do not carbonate anything other than water. Other liquids can contaminate and clog internal parts, potentially resulting in excessive pressure, bottle failure during carbonation, and serious injury. Never carbonate after flavoring has been added. To insert the carbonated bottle, make sure that the carbonating bottle rest is angled forward. Please make sure you do not pull the carbonating tube. Warning, never use a sparkling water maker with a broken carbonating tube. This can cause excessive pressure, bottle failure, and serious injury. Insert the carbonating bottle neck into the snap lock. Push the carbonating bottle up and back. The snap lock will hold the carbonating bottle. To carbonate, press the carbonating button for short 1-second presses. 3 presses for a standard carbonation, and 5 presses for a strong carbonation. When the desired level of carbonation is achieved, gently pull the carbonated bottle towards you until it reaches its fully forward position. This will release pressure in the carbonated bottle and allow the carbonated bottle to release from the smart lock. Warning, do not remove carbonating bottle until after hearing the sound of excess CO2 being released. Never force the carbonated bottle out of the snap lock. Always allow the sparkling water maker to release the carbonated bottle. If the carbonated bottle is not immediately released from the snap lock, wait a few moments. If it still does not release, then push the carbonated bottle back to the vertical position and gently pull it towards you again. Attempting to remove the carbonated bottle while it's still pressurized can cause uncontrolled ejections of the carbonated bottle and may result in serious injury. Note, when inserted correctly, there is a small gap between the bottom of the carbonated bottle and the base. Do not carbonate if the carbonated bottle is resting on the base or water will splash out. Note, you may see small pieces of ice appear in the water during carbonation of very cold water. Any ice created will simply melt. Care. Sparkling water maker care. Never use abrasive cleaners or sharp tools to clean. If needed, use a mild dish soap and a soft, damp cloth to gently clean. Wipe spills and keep base clean and dry. Do not place in water or wash in dishwasher. Doing so will seriously damage your sparkling water maker. Carbonating bottle care. For carbonating bottles which are not dishwasher safe to clean, rinse carbonated bottle with a cold lukewarm water. Warning, do not expose to heat above 120. Never wash or rinse in hot water. Do not wash in dishwasher. For dishwasher-safe carbonating bottles to clean, either wash in dishwasher or rinse carbonated bottle in cold or lukewarm water. Warning, do not expose to heat above 158 Fahrenheit. For your safety, save these instructions and provide them to any subsequent users. Warning, before using the sparkling water maker, to reduce risk of personal injury and damage to your product, please read these following safety instructions. To reduce the risk of either serious injury or damage to sparkling water maker during carbonation, read these. Carbon dioxide CO2 cylinder warnings, read these. Carbonating bottle, read these. SodaStream limited warranty. SodaStream sparkling water makers. This warranty does not cover damages to sparkling water maker resulting from, read these. Call us. We're here for all your bubbly questions. SodaStream.com, 1-800-763-2258. Come on board. Register your machine and receive exclusive information and offers. Go to SodaStream.com/reg-T or scan the code. Thank you for watching.